Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. For nearly 15 years, solar monitoring meant the same thing everywhere. One dashboard, one SCADA system, alerts when something failed, alerts when performance dropped. Simple, reactive, and increasingly expensive. That model worked when solar portfolios were small, systems were simpler, and downtime was tolerated. But today, portfolios are massive, margins are tighter, grid penalties are real, and response time matters. And yet many operators are still running solar assets with a monitoring philosophy designed in 2010. Today, that approach is obsolete. In this video, I want to show you why modern solar operations are shifting from single system monitoring to multi-agent AI platforms, and why this shift isn't optional anymore. No marketing, no buzzwords, just operational reality. Let's be honest about how most solar monitoring works today. Your SCADA system collects data: inverter temperatures, string currents, tracker positions, weather data. That data flows into a dashboard. Your dashboard displays KPIs, raises alerts, shows charts and trends. And then nothing happens. A human has to notice the alert, interpret what it means, decide whether it matters, decide what action to take, schedule work, dispatch a technician. That's 6 human-dependent steps. Each step adds delay, not because people are slow, but because humans are not designed to analyze thousands of data streams continuously. So what happens in reality? Alerts sit untouched for hours, sometimes days, sometimes weeks. By the time action is taken, the inverter is hotter, the degradation is worse, the fix is more expensive. Traditional monitoring doesn't fail because it lacks data. It fails because humans are the bottleneck. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Solar monitoring didn't fail because of technology. It failed because of workflow design. The entire system assumes data, human, decision, action. That model does not scale. Consider this example. An inverter begins operating 7 degrees hotter than baseline. That's not a failure. That's not even an alarm. But over time, that temperature delta accelerates component aging, increases failure probability, reduces lifetime yield. Your dashboard logs it, but nobody reacts. Why would they? There are hundreds of alerts, dozens of sites, limited staff, so the signal is lost in noise. This is why operators feel like we have tons of data but no clarity. We react too late. Everything feels urgent, so nothing is prioritized. This is not a staffing problem. This is not a training problem. This is an architecture problem. Modern solar operations are solving this by removing humans from the decision pipeline without removing human control. They do this using multi-agent AI systems. Instead of one system doing everything, they deploy 5, 10, sometimes 20 specialized AI agents. Each agent has a single responsibility. They operate continuously. They communicate automatically. They make decisions at machine speed. This is not one smart dashboard. This is an autonomous decision layer. Let's break this down concretely. Agent 1, data ingestion agent. This agent pulls thousands of data points per second from SCADA, from weather services, from thermal sensors, from drones, from IoT devices. It cleans data, normalizes it, and time aligns it. No dashboards, no charts, just structured truth. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.